Hey you guys, Valentine's Day is around the corner and whether you're in love or situationship or you're just for the outfits, you have clicked the right video. So before we start, अगर आप new है channel पे, मेरा नाम श्रुति है. I make travel, lifestyle and fashion content over here. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है, please subscribe कर देना, bell icon hit कर देना so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's dig into love. So today I am doing Valentine's week outfit ideas. These outfits are fun, wearable and yes, linked below so you can shop while pretending you're listening to me. So first day is Rose Day if I am not wrong. I have literally jotted down each and every day so I can make this video. So you guys better subscribe to my channel. Rose Day is supposed to be a very subtle, soft, flirty and first impression vibes kind of day. Okay, and you need some kind of outfit which can become an icebreaker and somewhere you can start a conversation, right? So I have curated an outfit which comes with this beautiful crop top which has a beautiful rose on it, which is enough to say that it's a rose day and to break the ice, because no one can ignore this kind of crop top, literally cannot. And it comes with adjustable straps and पीछे से आपको यहाँ पे stretchy material मिल जाएगा. I have ordered this in size small, so yeah, it fits me really well. and जो prices है वो आपको screen पे flash हो जाएगी. सारे ही outfits की details आपको ये description box में भी मिल जाएगी and it is tagged on this video. Okay, so if you look at this larger than life crop top, it's the best thing you can put up for the day one and you are gonna get that first impression in one go, definitely, my words. And below it I am wearing this long denim black skirt so it doesn't look over the top. I have ordered this in the size 28. So ये मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइट हो रहा था, so my size is 30, so it was not available in that, so I got that in 28, but I'm gonna return this one and get in my size because it's so good. I love the quality. इसमें भी आगे आपको pockets आ जाते हैं, पीछे pockets आ जाते हैं and you get a beautiful detailing of this cut. and ये cut ही ये पूरे outfit का vibe है. Also to complete the look you can add beautiful white accessories like these kind of heel which I am wearing here. So you can also pair it up with a white color sling if you want to, but I don't think so you have to carry because the skirt has the pocket, so you can add up all your stuff in your pocket if you want, just in case आपको अपने hands free रखने हैं. So just to complete the whole look, यहाँ पे मैंने silver jewelry पहनी है, very minimal and classy. You can literally wear it for college or you are having any coffee dates around the Valentine's weekend, or also it is very beautiful outfit which you can wear for brunch dates or any day out event. It will look damn pretty. So this is the outfit where you can say I didn't try, but definitely you tried your best. So yeah, go for it. So the next day is propose day, and on this day you need to carry that main character energy, your boldness and that confidence. Okay, and for that reason मैंने outfit जो create किया है that will make you look like a diva for sure. Let me just show you. It's in black color and if you are that person जिसको ज़्यादा skin show नहीं पसंद है, you will definitely love this dress. It comes with this shimmery material and a flowiness with her wings around. It has a beautiful tail behind and which covers the whole area from below. And if you see the neckline, it has this beautiful dahlia shimmer going on throughout. So I have ordered this in the size medium, and if you see here, it fits me really well. It comes with this kind of zip line behind and आपको एक hook भी दिया हुआ है जिससे you can secure it better. So if you see the sleeves, इसको ना एक edgy sleeves यहाँ पे दी हुई है which is beautiful if you are that modest person. The quality of this dress is amazing. मैंने इसे pair किया है silver कलर की हील्स के साथ विथ अ सिलुएट हील्स, ओके। एंड बहुत ही प्रिटी आउटफिट क्यूरेट हो रहा है if you see here. And just for extra accessories, if you want to carry, you can carry a silver purse with it. So for the jewelry on this outfit, you can go with black on black, or else if you want to keep it minimal as the outfit is enough, then you can go with minimal silver jewelry as I am wearing over here. You can literally play with black in many ways for the accessories, okay? अगर आपके पास black heels नहीं है तो आप white पहन लो, अगर white नहीं है तो you can go with transparent heels. Anything will go with black, okay? So that's the beauty of black as well. Apart from propose day, you can also wear this kind of dress for your party, or there is a birthday bash going on. You can definitely make this your birthday outfit. तो ये वाले ड्रेस में इसकी जो पीछे की फ्लोई टेल है, that's the heart of this dress, okay? And that detailing just takes over, and that main character energy which I was talking about, you will definitely have it after wearing this dress, okay? Mark my words. And if you're saying propose day outfit, because why not? If he doesn't propose, at least your dress will do that. So next day is chocolate day, and on this day you want to look cute, sassy and cozy, definitely. And इस दिन पे ना आप typical red color avoid करोगे तो that will be the best thing, because this day is for eating and not impressing. So मैंने जो outfit curate किया है इस दिन के लिए, it has to be very simple, and it is this white color shorts जो effortlessly बहुत ही अच्छे दिखते हैं. It's not your typical shorts, it's kind of not jorts and not shorts, it's in between. And if you see, I have ordered this in the size 32. Fits me really well and give you that beautiful effortless look on chocolate day, because on that day you need a room for your stomach, and that's why you can take any breathable shorts, okay, not the fitted one. And उसके ऊपर जो मैंने ट्यूब टॉप पहना है, that is in yellow color, a different color to try for Valentine's week. And ये ट्यूब टॉप के साथ आपको एक एलिमेंट आता है which is kind of this, ऐसे दुपट्टा बोल सकते हो, या you can just say a detailing with the tube top, जिसको आप अलग अलग वेज में स्टाइल कर सकते हो, which will create a lot of sass without trying too hard. Tube top is very stretchable, definitely you can eat a lot. And इसका भी मटेरियल काफ़ी अच्छा है, ये मैंने मीडियम साइज में ऑर्डर किया है. If you see the fabric, it's very flowy and soft, very soothing to the skin. So I love the top totally. You can also wear these kind of tops for brunch or for the any day out thing, okay? You can pair it with any of the bottoms, okay? Skirt हो गया, bottoms में jeans हो गया, black color की jeans हो गई, या फिर satin brown color skirt हो गया, उसके साथ बहुत ही pretty दिखेगा ये वाला tube top. And just for that day you can go with white shorts or white skirts, and skirts भी white color में आप try कर सकते हो, that will also look very cute on. So just in case आपको थोड़ा सा fitted dresses avoid करना है chocolate day पे, you can go with cozy sweaters, you know, here and there with your sneakers, and that's it. And for the accessories, if you see, मैंने यहाँ पे pair किया है white color के long boots के साथ with the sling in the different color, just to make it more contrasting. Just pair your silver jewelry and you're good to go. सो नेक्स्ट डे आता है टेडी डे. आई मीन इस दिन पे आप थोड़ा सा प्लेफुल बन सकते हो, थोड़ी गर्ली वाइब्स लेके आ सकते हो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन बी कोजी एट दैट डे. सो इट्स योर चॉइस. सो हियर आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्यूरेट एन आउटफिट विच इज प्लेफुल एंड गर्ली. सो दिस ड्रेस इज इन रेड कलर, comes with this beautiful net detailing on it, princess vibes, okay? It comes with this zip line behind, and this can be your birthday dress as well, okay, if you love red. Also, I've ordered this in the size small. fits me really well. If you see here, it hugs my body and perfect for the day which we are talking about. So अगर आप ये ड्रेस को देखोगे, बहुत सारे फ्रिल्स है इसके ऊपर, and it makes you bit girly and very playful, okay. and इसके अंदर का जो ड्रेस है वो थोड़ा बॉडीकॉन स्टाइल है, एंड आउटर आपको ऐसी नेट की डिटेलिंग दी है फॉर द फ्लोई इफेक्ट. So this dress doesn't have much to show. It has only these kind of detailing. So just to add more detailings to it, मैंने यहाँ पे लॉन्ग बूट्स पहने हैं वाइट कलर में, एंड इसके साथ एक चेरी रेड कलर का पर्स लिया है फॉर द एक्सेसरीज. एंड ज्वेलरी में अगेन मैंने सिल्वर मिनिमल ज्वेलरी पहनी है. सो दिस ड्रेस इज डेफिनेटली गिविंग यू दैट adult baby energy, and I am here for it. So all the products are tagged on this video, so you can shop really hassle free. So day 5 is hug day, and that's my favorite day in all the days, okay. And hug day is supposed to have a very soft vibes and soft glam with a touchable fabric, okay. And that can be only achieved if your fabric is soft and not itchy. If it's itchy, then it's a big no. So here which I'm wearing the outfit is probably which I am thinking that I can curate this outfit for hug day. And यहाँ पे आप देखोगे it's a midi dress, it is sleeveless, it comes with a nice hook behind, so अच्छे से secure हो सकता है. halter neck बहुत ही अच्छा दिखता है when you want to look a bit young, and ये modest भी लगता है as it's a midi dress. The neckline, it has this silver studs on it which makes it more classy and gives you that glam effect. And yes, ये outfit सिर्फ hug day के लिए नहीं curate किया है. You can also try wearing this for your fine dine restaurants, or you have a dinner date, you just want to look a bit modest on that day, then this kind of outfits really work. And यहाँ पे मैंने जो accessories इसके साथ pair की है वो है silver silhouette heels. It is just perfect for that vibe. And yes, मैंने इसके साथ एक pearl clutch लिया है which completes the whole look. Wear any silver jewelry. I am wearing the hoops which is normally I am wearing with all the outfits, and you can go with any black color jewelry or the silver ones, or if you are pairing something gold, then go for silhouette gold heels and then pair everything else. So yeah, if you see the dress, it's very flowy, the fabric is super soft, and on this day you need to have any kind of dress but soft, okay, so that person can feel the warmth. जो over the top भी नहीं लगेगा, but it will make you look sassy, beautiful, soft glam and very soft, okay. The size which I am wearing is small, and all the product links will be tagged on this video. So the next day is the most awaited day, that is kiss day, and on this day every girl wants to look sexy and classy at the same time. So this outfit is particularly curated on that basis, and the college girlie will be thanking me later for this curation. This tube top in red color which has an amazing soft fabric, okay, very soft fabric, and stretchable है काफी. ये मैंने medium size में order किया है. If you see the detailing over the chest area, it's so pretty. It has this tangling thing over here, and यहाँ पे आप देखोगे it just hugs my body perfectly. My bust size is 34, so for that reason I have ordered it in the size medium. So ये मुझे breathable भी रहेगा and ये मुझे अच्छे से fit भी होगा ताकि मेरे arms ज़्यादा बड़े ना दिखे. It has this amazing secure detailing around the tube top if you see behind, and ये slip नहीं होता है नीचे, perfectly fit हो जाता है, and that's the best thing about this top. बिकॉज काफ़ी सारे ट्यूब टॉप्स होते हैं जहाँ पे हमें बार बार उसे ऐसे ऊपर लेना होता है, विच डजेंट लुक गुड एट ऑल। सो उन्होंने इस चीज़ में यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखा है दैट दे हैव गिवन दिस ग्रिप ओवर योर एट द बैक, एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन गेट फॉर अ ट्यूब टॉप। एंड इतने अच्छे प्राइस में यू नीड टू स्टील इट, ओके। इसको मैंने पेयर किया है एक सिंपल डेनिम के साथ। इट्स अ मॉम जीन्स and it just gives you that baggy effect totally. If you see her, it is just beautiful. मैंने इसे जानबूझ करके 32 में ऑर्डर किया है ताकि it gives that baggy effect and ये थोड़ा सा मॉम जीन्स लगे, ऊपर से फिटेड एंड नीचे से I wanted to give that balloon effect. So yes, it's definitely making a justice over here. एंड कॉलेज गर्ली के लिए तो ये बेस्ट वाला क्यूरेशन होगा बिकॉज टिपिकली ब्लू जीन्स सबके पास होती है, so you can just get this kind of tube top and you're good to go for kiss day. And if you see, I have just curated it with white color accessories with white heels. You can also carry a white purse or black detailing heels or black purse. It's your choice completely. Just wearing my minimal silver jewelry and you're good to go. ये वाला outfit सिर्फ किस डे के लिए नहीं है, you can also pair it for day outs, और अगर आपका गर्ल नाइट आउट है you can wear this kind of tops and go. एंड ऑल्सो ये वाला आउटफिट्स आप कॉलेज डेज के लिए पहन सकते हो, और यू जस्ट मीटिंग योर फ्रेंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. So this kind of very comforting outfits will really pull it off when you don't want to really make it happen, but it just happens with your outfit. So yeah, you can order all of it. All the products are tagged on this video. So please take my recommendation. ये वाला टॉप तो ऑर्डर कर ही लेना अपने लिए वैलेंटाइंस डे के लिए. It is just perfect to go with. Get it right away before it gets out of stock, okay? And yeah, don't forget on this day to reapply your lipstick like it's a sport. And the last day, but the most beautiful day, that is Valentine's Day. Here we are, and we have curated the best outfit for this. And on this day, thoda sa over the top chalta hai. You want to get that full glam. For that reason, I have purposely taken a very different and out of the box wala quad set. Okay, yes, it's a quad set. Of course, the color has to be red, and it's not the perfectly red color. It's a bit pastel or maroon red, you can say. It comes with this kind of top which has this T neckline, and comes with this kind of tank wala sleeves. Okay, इसकी भी stitching बहुत pretty है. I have ordered this in the size small. Let me show you the showstopper for this quad set. That is this skirt. I mean, it is so pretty. The detailings around the sideline, the side ruffles are just to die for. I mean, it will make you look out of the box. मतलब कोई ना कोई पलट के तो देखेगा ही, इतना ब्यूटीफुल कॉर्ड सेट है ये. सो इसका जो इलास्टिकेटेड वेस्ट बैंड है, इफ यू सी, डजंट हर्ट योर स्टमक एट ऑल. इट्स परफेक्टली विद अ गुड क्वालिटी. अच्छी सी स्टिचिंग है. इसका जो फैब्रिक है बहुत ही सॉफ्ट एंड फ्लोई है. रफल डिटेलिंग, इट्स द हार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वाड सेट एंड परफेक्ट फॉर वैलेंटाइंस डे. सो टू मेक इट मोर ओवर द टॉप, आई हैव paired it with the long white boots, and you can also carry a white color purse and make it more contrasting. And yes, with my silver minimal jewelry, I've just paired it with that. You can go with red color jewelry as well, like the long red color hoops or red color earrings which has that droplets in it. It will look pretty. And yes, if you don't want to wear long boots, you can go for any silhouette heels, okay, and just make it out of the box and slay on Valentine's Day. And if it's not your Valentine's Day, you can definitely spoil yourself on that day, because why not just get that Barry vibes and go for this kind of cord set, because this is a day when you are going out with someone or you are just taking yourself out. So go for this outfit. So yeah guys, this was it, and let me know in the comments which was your favorite outfit from all of them and which day hurt the most to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, hype the video so it can reach the right people, and subscribe to my channel for more such content and you don't miss out on them. And yes, a happy Valentine's week. Stay cute, stay dressed, and don't text your ex back. So yeah, keep spreading love. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye guys. Happy Valentine's week. कहाँ थी? कट कर दे इसको. Girls, purse. You need not have to worry here and there, and you just have to shop from La La La. Cut. Mic बराबर है नहीं? You can literally or your normal fine dine events, fine dine rest बनी हुई है. And now comes the चालू है ना? Sexy, not sassy. वो तो तूने बोला ना. What was this? Date nights. Night dates क्या होता है? Of course, guess the color. It's red. You're going for a day out or meetings. Meetings के लिए dress पहनेगी तू? पागल हो गई है. Very effortless, very classy. Bye.
Bye. I'll meet you in the next video.
And I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, guys.